All right, so what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to show you a way that you can search engine optimize a website incredibly easy using activities that are already happening. If you do customer service, if you have recordings on your phone calls, you can easily make this happen. So what we're going to do is we're going to have a phone call with the customer right now, and we're going to make a video out of it. From that video, we're going to make a transcription and a web page. We're going to be able to post this video on YouTube, Facebook, live on the website, on LinkedIn, as well as other social media platforms. So it's a great way to make content if you are doing any sort of customer service activities. So here we go, check it out.
Hi, this is Jake. How can I help?
Hey Jake, how's it going?
Hey, how's it?
Yeah, this is Ricky. I'm actually calling about business out there. I was wondering when whale season starts?
Okay, are you looking to do some whale watching?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay. Well, the whales haven't got here yet. The whales that we have here on Maui actually are a migratory species. They spend about half the year here. The official whale season starts December 5, and then normally it's over in right around April 5. Some of our whale watches go until May 5. Um, the first whales that typically get here, normally we have a few early ones that will actually show up before the official whale season starts. Normally they get here at the end of October or beginning of November. However, the official whale season is the time when we're going to be guaranteeing whale sightings on all our trips. If you go out on a whale watch and it doesn't see whales, then you're going to be able to get rescheduled to go again for free. Typically, it really rarely happens that we ever don't see whales because it's a fairly small area that they come to. They come to the channels between the islands of Maui, Lanai, Molokai, and Kaho'olawe, where it's relatively shallow compared to the surrounding deep waters. They come to this area because it provides them a safe place to breed and have their babies. They typically don't do much eating when they're here. That's what they migrate back to the northern waters around Alaska for, where they'll eat a tremendous amount of shrimp and krill, plankton, and other small sea life. So they'll be here around December. Are you going to be here in that time? Are you looking to do some whale watching when you're here?
To be honest with you, Jake, my family actually are planning to go down there around November or early December, and
Okay.
you sure gave me lots of fun facts out there. One thing though, what kinds of whales will I see?
Well, the main whale species that you're going to be seeing in the Hawaiian waters is humpback whales. Those are the ones that come here on their migration annually, and that's the main thing that people come to see. However, we do also have some whales that are here all year round. We have pilot whales, which are fairly rare. They're a little bit larger than a dolphin, and that's not typically the whales that people are looking for on the whale watches. We also have dolphins here too. Dolphins are here year round, and sometimes when you get to see those, they're very acrobatic, very, very fun to see.
Oh wow. Is there a time of the day that is better than others to see the whales?
Well, there's mixed opinions about that. That's a very good question that you have, Ricky. Typically, if you're looking to go out on the water, the best time to go out on the water in Hawaii is early in the morning. We have trade winds that come up normally around 11 in the morning to 1 in the afternoon coming out of the northeast. The trade winds generally are fairly strong. They normally blow 20 to 40 miles an hour, and they really stir up the surface of the ocean and can even make whitecaps, which makes it to where it's fairly rough. So if you're prone to seasickness or any sort of motion sickness where you think you might get seasick on a boat, it might be a better time to go in the morning. However, in the afternoon, when it is a little bit rougher, some people do believe that that's actually a time when the whales are more active because they breathe air just like you and me. So they actually have to get their blowholes above the
Uh-huh.
surface of the water in order to breathe. So sometimes when it's fairly rough, they have to come up a little bit higher. And a lot of time that's when you're going to be seeing more jumping behaviors and that sort of stuff, which can be very, very, very cool to see if you can handle that rougher ride on the boat. So that's a very good question that you have about the best time to go see whales. Um, like I said, earlier in the morning, it's generally
Very
much
much.
smoother. And then in the afternoon, sometimes they're a little bit more active.
All right, Jake, you pretty much given me all the information I needed to know. Now, how do I get the best prices on these?
The best prices that you're going to find are going to be online on the website. In addition to the already extremely discounted prices that you're going to be finding on the site, sometimes we do have some seasonal promos and specials, which you will be notified about after you make your booking. So sometimes
Oh,
once
wow.
you make the booking, if there's any sort of sales or promotions going on, when we call to confirm and let you know your check-in details, what you need to bring, all that sort of stuff after you've purchased, then we'll let you know if there are any promos that are available for additional discounts at that time.
All right, Jake, I think we do have a date here as to when we'll come down there. What's my next step?
The next step is we can either make the booking over the phone right now, or if you need to confirm with the rest of your group and you'd like to make the purchase online, you can do that also. Our website's open 24 hours a day. The phone line closes at about 7 p.m. Hawaiian.
Okay, that sounds great. I think I might need to talk with the rest of the family as to, so we can pinpoint when exactly we'll be going down there. Sounds cool,
Perfect.
man.
Perfect. Well, thank you so much for your call. I hope you have a great time, and we're looking forward to helping you with your arrangements. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to give me a call at any time. I'm always happy to help in any way possible.
Sounds good. Thank you so much again.
Thank you, Ricky. Enjoy the rest of your day.
You too. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
So that was it. You can see that from an ordinary phone call that normally would not have any sort of long-term value. You're always going to be answering people's questions, but generally, unless you're doing something with that answer, recording it in some way, as soon as that call is hung up, if you haven't made the sale, essentially it's wasted time. So this is a way to kind of double dip that time that you're spending doing the customer service into long-term value to bring more visitors to your website via Google, YouTube, and anywhere else where the video is syndicated. So it's a pretty easy process. If you need help with it, please get in touch with me. I have a whole team of specialists that are standing by in order to make this kind of content for you. So get in touch. Thank you.